if you could craft engaging slides and assess your audience all at once? Discover the simplicity and efficiency of Rolljak Slides, your all-in-one solution. What is the Rolljak Slides? Rolljak Slides is the newest addition to Rolljak stream of features, which allows you to create and present slideshows online. Here's how you can use it. 1. Log into your Rolljak account or create one if you don't have it yet. 2. Click Create Session and choose the slide's activity type. 3. Add the title of your topic in the title box. 4. Add additional information in the body text box. 5. To add a video, image, or GIF, click the media button on the upper right side of the title box. 6. To add special symbols and functions, click the Special Symbols or Functions button on the upper left side of the title box. Remember, you can add an assessment between slides or right after you are done with all of them. Launch the session as a live session in class or keep it as a self-paced individual activity. You can then test your session to preview how it's going to look like for your participants. Have fun and keep on rollin' with Rolljak.